Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, I'm Devi Ratnasari, NPM 050. Permission to present the result of the video for 6th grade elementary school learning material about the special characteristic of living things, which was supervised by Miss Hatna Suryantari, MPD. Let's see my video. Let's go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Before the lesson start, let's pray first. Okay? Teacher present please. Yes. Who is absent today? Okay, thank you. Everyone is here. Student, let's continue our lesson. Today we will talk about the special characteristic of living things in grade 6. We will discuss the special characteristic of animal and plant first. We will learn about the special characteristic of animal and continue with the special characteristic of plant. Animal adaptation and characteristic. The characteristic of living things among others. The one, move. The two, breathe. The three, breathe. The four, grow and develop. The five, need food. The six, need water. The seven, requires a certain temperature. The eight, sensitive to stimuli. The nine, removing residual substances. The characteristic above distinguish living things from inanimate objects. In addition to the above characteristic, living things are also equipped with special characteristics. This special characteristic distinguishes one character from another. The special factor is the adaptation of living things with the environment. The process of adjustment to the environment is called adaptation. Adaptation is a slow process. Number 1. Animal adaptation forms. Animals adapt to meet the needs of life, protect themselves from enemies, and defend their kin. There are various forms of animal adaptation. For example, we can observe chameleons, bat, lizard, and duck. The one, chameleons. Chameleons have the ability to change the color of their skin according to the place they live in. When the chameleon is on the ground, the skin is brown like soil. When it is on a tree, the chameleon's skin turns green like a leaf. This can aim to protect himself for enemy attack. The ability of chameleons to change skin color according to where they are located is called mimicry. The two, hummingbirds. The beak of the hummingbird is long and pointed. The shape of the hummingbird's beak is useful for reaching for nectar or honey in the flower. The three, snake. As you know, snakes are carnivore or meat eaters and never chew or tear their food like we do. The prey obtained is immediately swallowed whole. We can eat belly that? Yes, because the jaw structure is closely attached to the bone structure in the skull. This arrangement of jaw allows the snake to swallow prey larger than itself. Visited snakes too. The fourth, cat. Have you ever had a cat footsteps? Why do cat now make a sound when the base step? Because cat have two special characteristics. First are the legs. Cat paws have a soft and thick layer that is useful for hitting their nests. When walking, its claws are pulled in so that it does not make a sound, so that the enemy does not hear when approached. Have disgusting chews that are capable of breaking down food. In some types of snakes, there are those that twist their prey so tightly that the prey runs out of breath and the snake can easily at it. The 5. Bats are only mammalia that can fly. Bats are nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are that forage for food at night. Bats have keen hearing and smell. Bats use sound to catch insects in the dark. Bats make high-pitched sound the humans cannot hear. The reflection of the sound indicates the location of the prey. The 6. Duck. Ducks are one type of birds that lives in water. Ducks have a flat and blue beak. The beak is used to filter food from the water. Duck teeth consist of insects, worms, and vegetables. In addition to the shape of the beak, ducks have special characteristics on their feet. Ducks have short legs with the three wet fingers together. The membranes on the duck finger are useful for swimming. Now you understand about the special characteristics of each animal. There are lots of them. Then the teacher will explain about the special characteristics of plants. Adaptation and characteristics of plants. The first, adaptation and characteristics of plants. Plant adaptation from just like animals. Plant also adapts to their environment. For example, fir tree, lotus, sea doctor, and others. The first, spruce. The fir tree has pointed leaves. The pointed leaves are useful for reducing evaporation. The leaf shape in adaptation of the pine tree to a hot environment. The 2, lotus plant. The lotus is a plant that lives on the surface of the water. The lotus plant has white and thin leaves. The leaves are white and some are thin, serving to increase evaporation. The shape of the leaf is a form of adaptation of the lotus to its patch of life. The 3, sea princess plant. Have you ever seen a sea princess plant? The sea doctor plant is often found growing on the side of the road. The sea doctor plant has special characteristics on its leaves. The leaves of the sea princess plant will close when touched by smithing. This shows that the doctor is embarrassed to adaptation to touch stimuli. The 4, cactus. Cacti are plants that live in hot area. Cactus stems are thick and waxy. The thick stem of the cactus serves as a water supply. The entire surface of the cactus stem is covered with thorns. The thorns are useful as self-defense. The 5, smartbug. Smartbug are insectivorous plant or archaeolog insectivore. At curtain stems, picture flower emit a puncture. The smell is useful for attracting insects. Smartbug plants have a special fluid in the bag. The liquid is to disgust trapped insect. This shows that pitcher plants are adapted to abundant food. The sixth, mangrove plants. The plants live on the coast. Mangrove have steel roots to support their bodies to keep them strong. Tunjang roots are form of adaptation of mangrove plants to the coastal environment. Student, do you understand what I mean? Do you understand? Biggs, yeah, you already understand what I mean. Now try to do the question that the teacher gave. If you find any difficult, you can ask me. Have everyone done their jobs? Yes, let's discuss together. Number 1. The process of adapting to the environment is challenging. Yes, adaptation. Adaptation is the process of adjusting oneself to the environment. Number 2. Animals that have the ability to change skin color accordingly with the place to stay it. Yes, chameleon. Chameleon adaptasi by changing skin color according with the place to stay. What are the special characteristics of cactus? Cacti are plants whose habitat is in place to plants. Cacti are plants whose habitat is in plants that tend to be dry. Wood with minimal water supplies to cut the hairs. For example, in the desert, this plant has a characteristic which this characteristic also have curtain function. The special characteristic of cactus plant includes: number 1, this plant has thorn-spiked leaves. Number 2, the stem of this plant has a waxy coating. Number 3, the stem is composed of spongy tissue. And number 4, has very long roots. Okay, lesson is now before the lesson. Teacher close, let's pray first. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.